Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to sort products on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and then go to products and select collections, and now open a collection, and here we can see the sort option. So click on this drop down, and from here you can select any sort. You can select best selling, product title A to Z, product title ZA, highest price, lowest price. And if you select manually, then you have to sort every product manually. So this is how we can sort products on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.